welcome to the Fox Shop Barbecue channel. My name is Jody. Here I am. Actually, we're in the Fox Shop kitchen. And today I'm going to be making a cherry cream cheese ring. Usually this is made around Christmas, but I'm just gonna make it. John loves cherries, so I'm gonna see if this turns out good. We'll probably wait until tonight when he gets home for him to try it, and I just know he's gonna love it. So so let me get started up here. I'm gonna put you all down, and let me get you down here. There we go. So in the bowl I have 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1 egg, and a 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. I'm going to get this mixed together here. My cream cheese is extremely soft, is what you want. And next what I'll do after I get this mixed up, I will get out I have the crescent rolls out, and I will get them set up on the pizza pan, which is what you need. So I'm switching utensils because it's not stirring it together well. Oh well, things happen, life goes on. So let me know down below in the comments if this looks yummy and you'd like to try it. So I'm gonna come over here to my pie plate, and I have my crescent rolls. Yes, they are sticky. No, well, you're supposed to use 2 cans of crescent rolls, but my pie pan is really small. I may have to crack that one open. So what we're going to do here is we are going to tear these apart. So I'm going to get all of these torn apart here, and we're going to put them on my pie plate and press them together, or mush them together, whatever you want to say. I say mush. Other people say press. Okay, so we're going to start with this poor little one that I've torn, and you're going to put it like this into the center. All right, just like that. I'm going to flip this like that, and then we're just going to make a circle. This is extremely so easy, it's not even funny. So anybody that says they can't cook, well, trust me, you can cook this. You can bake this. This is very simple. Very simple. It's really a can of cherry pie filling. You can do apple. You can do fresh blueberries. I would probably put those in a pan with some water and some sugar and cook them. Cook them down a little bit. So this is okay. We're just gonna keep going in a circle here. Mine's probably gonna be a little cockeyed, but you know what? It doesn't matter. As long as it tastes good, that's all that matters. That's it. I'm not worried about it. John won't worry about it. He'll eat it when he gets home. So, yep. And I just mush and I fold under because my pan is so small. My poor pizza pan. We do have a pizza pan that is, oh, what is it? It has holes in it, and I've never seen a pizza pan with holes in it, but I'm telling you what, when you have a frozen pizza, cooks it nice and crispy. All right, let me fold that under and mush. All right, let me get this pan down and I'll bring you right back. All right, so since my pan right here is a little small and I have some thicker parts to it, I'm going to preheat it not preheat it, preheat or cook the dough a little bit in the beginning here. So I have my oven set on 350 and I'm going to set my timer for, let's say, 2 minutes. And when that gets done, I will bring you guys back in. We'll get the cream cheese spread all over it and the cherries, and then we'll cook it for real. See you in a little bit. All right, so we got the crescent roll ring out of the oven, and now I'm gonna set you all right here and bend you down. Ooh, put you over here so you can see exactly what I'm doing. All right, so it's popped up a little bit. That's perfectly fine. So what we're gonna do now is I'm going to dollop. If you have some holes from where you know, smushed all of the crescent rolls together, whatever, that's fine. It's just gonna seep out a little bit. I don't mind that. John won't mind that. You know, probably try to give some of this to other people. So, all right. Yes, I made a mess. I'm a messy person. Otherwise, okay. So now we're gonna take this. We're gonna spread it. Gotta get it everywhere. Yes, the pan is a little hot, but it is okay. All right, there is that. Now I'm gonna try to dollop the cherries here, and we're going to get those spread out. All right. Here we are. Cherries are done. Okay, let's spread this out a little bit. I'm not going to spread it out a lot, but just enough to spread some over. If the cream cheese and cherries start mixing, whatever, it's all good. All right, we're done spreading. Now I have cut up 4 strips of crescent rolls, and I'm going to place them ever so nicely. I'm not going to worry about tucking them. I may not use all 12 strips just because my pan is a little small, and some of these strips are really small, and if they mush a little bit, they're gonna mush. We're mushing. Fold it over. I'm gonna put that one right there. All right, now we're gonna bake it at 350 degrees. I'm a recipe girl. I like recipes. And 350 degrees for, I believe it's 15 minutes. No, 25 minutes. So when the cherry cream cheese crescent roll ring comes out of the oven, I will be back with you guys and I'll let you see how it looks. I'll even taste a little bit of it. I'm not a cherry fan, but I'll taste a little bit of it for you. So until then, I'll see you later. All right, so we have the cherry cream cheese crescent ring out of the oven. I will just show you. Doesn't that look absolutely delicious? It is GVD, golden brown and delicious. If it was me, kind of like cherry cheesecake, I would probably take it from here to here. I love cherry cheesecake.